by the Troop Commander J. Cañada, Dominic Bonancia, S1, Jordan De Los Santos, S2, Jana Kel Perez, S3, Eliasor Duliete, S4, Gian Alarcon, S5, Richie Calle, S6, Vicky Miller, Benjamin Marula, Bill Ziller, Yas Cusco, Alpha Company Commander Anton Prisima, Alpha Company Carl Jones, Bravo Company Commander Sheila Lusaka, Bravo Company EXO, Maria May Beatriz Bravo, Mapi Company Commander Dan Martin Pale, Mapi Company EXO, Owen Sam Villete, First Platoon Leader Boys DRRN, Warren Kudoy, Second Platoon Leader CTP DRRN, Kyle Briones, First Platoon Leader CTP Girls, Robelen Cornejo, Second Platoon Leader Kyla Reyes, First Platoon Leader Mapi Boys Jenny Daria, Second Platoon Leader Mapi Boys Joy Inalimbi, Principal Rosemary Miranda, CTP Mapi Facilitator Mary Grace Borromeo, Major Coordinator Rosel Mabasa, DNC Coordinator RJ Hoven, Melody Claveria, Assistant Major Turner, RJ Hoven, Assistant CTP Mapi Coordinator, Ronnie Lidera, Assistant DNC Coordinator. Ladies and gentlemen, from Pinaglabanan Gawa, Tamarigizur, Pinaglabanan National High School, City